Whether you're asking about clearing or need to clarify something on your application, we'll show you how to do it right. Step 1. Prepare your details before calling. Before calling, have your UCAS ID number to hand to help us locate your records. We will ask you some basic security questions to help us make sure we've got the right records and are speaking to the right person. Have some way of taking notes in case there are follow-up instructions to resolve your query. Step 2. What to say when you call. When you get through, explain your situation clearly. Whether you're asking about your application, results day, clearing, or anything else about your application. Make sure to ask if you need clarity on anything you don't understand. Step 3. Follow up. If you're given instructions, make a note of what you need to do next. Use a notes app on your phone or pen and paper to take down notes of key information or numbers you may need. Step 4. Know when to call. Our team are on hand Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. No question is too small, and remember, we are here to help. If you need us, call us on 0371 468 0468.